it this Sunday. You folks can watch the finale, the Pink Pecani Rally. We'll tell you all about that a little bit later on, give you those times. Right now, he's getting set down in here. You better watch his kid. There's two of them. They're brothers. They live about 30 miles to the northwest side of Fort Worth, Texas. Here's BS11. Shorty, thank you. Nice work, Shorty.